In this video, I'm going to discuss introduction of calculus. Definition. Calculus is the branch of mathematics that study how quantities change. Calculus is the branch of mathematics that study how one quantity change with another quantity and how those change accumulate. So how quantity change is what we call differential calculus. How quantities change is what is called differential calculus. How the change accumulate is what is called integral calculus. Of the change accumulate, or the same thing as how the change accumulate is what is called integral calculus. How fast is it changing right now is what is called differential calculus. For the integral calculus, in total is what is called the integral calculus. In real life, calculus study motion, biology and medicine, economics and business. So in real life, calculus studies motion. Under the motion, it studies how cars speed over time. Calculus also study how temperature change over time. But in economics and business, calculus study how money grow over time. Calculus also study the biology and medicine in real life. Under this, calculus study how population grow with time. It also study how medicine decrease in blood, In environmental science, calculus study how temperature of the earth is changing, change with time. In our everyday activities, calculus can also study how phone battery drain, how plant height change day by day. Example, like how car speed. To study how car speed, the function of the car at a position must be formed. So you have to note that to use calculus, the changing quantity must be written as a function. To use calculus, the changing quantity must be written as a function. Measure how fast it change. To measure how fast it change is what we call the derivative. It is called the integral part of calculus. Example with the car. At first, the car is at rest. no change at this time. Once the car started moving, its position changed with time. Start moving, the position change with time. Is either the car is moving forward or the car is moving backward. If the car is at rest, the function will be constant function. That is, the car is at rest. If the car is moving with known speed, the function would be linear function. If it accelerates, the function of the car is what? Is going to be of quadratic form. It's going to be a quadratic function. So if the car is at rest, it's going to have constant function. If the car is moving with known speed, it's linear function. If the car accelerates, it's going to be a quadratic function. If the car pattern is not known, it's going to be in two cases. It's either it's moving forward or it's moving backward. What if the car is not moving at all? Can we still have a function? Not moving at all. Can we still have a function? For now, building an idea of how position function can look in real life is under application of calculus. Before that, building an idea of how position function can look in real life is under application of calculus. Before that, let's first study how calculus works with simple mathematics functions. Once we understand derivatives and integral in pure mathematics, we can apply them back to real life situation. That is all for this video. In the next video, identify function and technique for finding derivative of a function.